Okay, welcome my heroes. And today's lesson is the 7th lesson in chapter 1. Use number lines to divide. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like here question number 1, as you see, 24 divided by 6. And we need to solve this using the number line. Okay. So, my heroes, to start, please open your books page. As you see here, this is page 39. So go ahead, everyone, open your books page 39. And in this page, we have here this question. Let's see the question. And let's see it here first, just a second. Okay, here we need to find the difference and use each difference as the starting number in the next equation. Model the problems on the number line. Okay, so we start at 12. And we subtract 3. If we subtract 3, we land on 9. So 12 minus 3 equals 9. And as the question says, use each difference as the starting number in the next equation. So let's do this. We will take the 9 here. We write here 9 and use it as the starting point. So 9 and subtract another 3. So we land on 6. Okay, so we write here 6. And in the next equation, we start at 6. So 6 minus 3. We're using the same number, 6, as the starting number in the next equation. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. Yes. And remember, take it the 3 to the next equation. So here, it's 3. 3 minus 3. Let's see on the number line. Move it. Oh, it's 0. Okay, let's go back to the book and do the same. Okay, so as we said, we start at 12 and we subtract 3, so we land on 9. So we write here 9 and take the 9 as the starting number in the next equation. 9 minus 3 equals, let's do it in the number line. Okay, equals 6. Okay. Now take the 6 to the next line, to the next equation as the starting number. Now we need to find 6 minus 3. Yes, it's 3. Okay, so we go here. Of course, it's 3. And we take the 3 to the next equation as the starting number. 3 minus 3. Of course, 0. So now we reach at 0. And we have this question here. How can you use the number line to help find 12 divided by 3? That's what we did now. Okay, so we now subtracted 3 every time. As you see here on the number line, subtract 3 every time. We subtract 3. So we started at 12 and count back by 3's until we reach 0. Now we can count the number of times we subtracted 3 to find the answer. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we subtracted 3 4 times. So the answer to 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, let's write this. So let's write it. We start at $12 and count back by threes until we reach 0. And when you reach 0, you're done. Just count the number of times you subtracted 3 to find the answer. So we need to count the number of times we subtracted or we subtract to find we subtract 3 to find the answer. To find the answer. Okay, and now my heroes, how many times did we subtract 3 here? Yes, we subtracted 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer to this, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Because we subtracted 3 4 times. Okay, my heroes. Now, please write the answer. Go ahead, my heroes, write. Okay, everyone, if you didn't finish, please pause the video, click pause, and finish writing. If you have finished, so we will erase it and move to the next page. Okay, so this is the next page. Okay, so I will now move to the next page. And here in this page we have this example. Let's see the example. We need to find 20 divided by 4. So one way we can do this using a number line. So we start at 20. We count back by 4s until we reach 0. So we start at 20. We count back by 4s. So 20 minus 4 equals 16. Minus another 4. So it's 12. Another time minus 4 equals 8. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now, what do we need to do? We need to count how many jumps. How many jumps till we reach 0? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have here 5 jumps till we reach 0. So, there are 5 groups of 4. And 20 divided by 4 equals, how many jumps did we do? We did 5 jumps. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. We have 5 groups of 4. Okay, now we have another way using repeated subtraction. Focus with me, my heroes, on this because this is very important. We start at 20, so start with 20, and we subtract 4 until we reach 0. So 20 minus 4 equals 16. And take the 16 to the next equation. 16 minus 4 equals 12. We are doing this till we reach 0. So take the 12 and subtract another 4. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Do this again. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And now 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now we've reached 0. So we need to count how many times did we subtract 4. So let's count. We have here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we subtracted 4 5 times. And 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Okay, now back to the book. And we'll just write the answers here. So we need to write here how many jumps did we do. 1. If you need to count again, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many jumps? 5 jumps. So there are 5 groups of 4, and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. In the second way, we subtract 4, and let's count how many times we subtracted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we subtracted 4 5 times. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Okay, we don't need to write this. I'll erase it. And please, my heroes, write the answer quickly. Okay, now my heroes, let's move down to see the questions. I'll erase it and move down. Let's make it bigger. Okay. So here we have the number line, and we need to find 24 divided by 6. How can we do this? We will do this by counting back. Yes, we count back 6 and 6 and 6 and so on. So we subtract 6. So where we start? We should start at 24. So we start at 24. And we count back, or we count back 6. Okay, so 24 minus 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we land here on 18. Okay, so we land on 18. This is 24 minus 6. Let's do this again. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We land on 12. So let's do it to 12 minus 6. We need another time. We need to reach the 0. Remember? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we land on 6. Yes, of course, we need to do it one more time to get to 0. So let's do it again to get to 0. 6 minus 6, of course, is 0. Okay, so we count back 6. Oh, we reach 0. So, what should we do now? Just count how many jumps. Of course, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So we have here 4 jumps. So the answer to this question, 24 divided by 6, equals 4. We don't need to write the number of the jumps here, so I'll erase it. And please do it quickly, my heroes. Write the answer. And now let's start doing 16 divided by 8. So we start with 16 and subtract 8. (16 minus 8 equals 8). Now take the 8 to the next equation as the starting number. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Now we reach the 0. When you reach the 0, so you're done. How many times did you subtract 8? This is 1, 2. So we subtracted 8 2 times. So the answer is 2. So 16 divided by 8 equals 2. I don't need to write the number of the equations. You can count them. Okay, let's see question number 3. Let's do the same. We need to divide 27 divided by 9. So we start with 27 and we subtract 9s. Okay, let's do it. 27 minus 9 equals, count my heroes, 27 minus 9. (27 minus 9 equals 18). So we take the 18 to the next equation. So in the next equation, we subtract 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 Go ahead, my heroes. Count. 18 minus 9. 9. And now we take the 9 to the next equation. 9 minus 9 equals 0. How many times did we subtract 9? We did this. How many times? 1, 2, 3. We did it 3 times. So the answer is 3. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. We subtracted 9 3 times. Okay, my heroes. Now, my heroes, we need to move to the next page. So if you didn't finish, you can pause the video and finish writing. If you have finished, I'll move to the next page. Okay. Now in the next page, we'll do the same. So do it with me, my heroes. 25 divided by 5. So start at 25. And we are dividing by 5. So make jumps of 5. Count back 5s. So 25, count back 5s. Count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we land on 20. Count back another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We land on 15. Okay. Count back another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we land on 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we land on 5. And count again another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we land on 0. I forgot to write here minus 5, minus 5. And this one also I write minus 5. Okay, let's count how many times or how many jumps did we do. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So the answer is 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, my heroes, do it quickly. Now, in question number 5, we need to use the subtraction method. Okay. So, we see here that we have 21 minus 7. What is 21 minus 7? 14. Okay, now we write here as the starting number 14. And we subtract another 7. So each time we subtract 7. 14 minus 7 equals? Yes, 7. And of course, we take the 7 to the next equation as the starting number. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Okay, now we need to finish, complete the division equation. We need to complete the division equation. So we started with 21. So the number that we are dividing is 21. And what number are we dividing by? What number are we subtracting? The 7. And how many times did we subtract 7? Let's count. We subtracted 7 here. 1, 2, 3 times. So 21 divided by 7 equals 3. I'll erase these numbers. We don't need them. Okay, my heroes. Now try to solve question number 6 by yourselves. Try to solve question number 6 by yourselves. Go ahead, my heroes. Try to solve question 6. Okay, now I'll start solving. If you didn't finish, pause the video, stop the video, and finish first. Then check your answer. So now, if you didn't finish, pause the video. Okay, let's start solving. 36 minus 9 equals 27. Take the 27 to the next equation. 27 minus another 9 equals 18. Okay, so take the 18 to the next equation. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And finally, 9 minus 9 equals 0. What is the division equation? What number did we start with? We started with 36. So we write here 36. 36 divided by what number? What number are we subtracting? Yes, we are subtracting 9s. So 36 divided by 9. And the answer to the division is how many times you subtracted 9. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we subtracted 9 4 times. So the answer is 4. The equation is 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Okay, check your answer, my heroes. Check your answers. Okay, now let's move down to see the next question, question number 7. As I said before, if you miss anything, you can go back and see it. You can pause the video anytime to finish writing. Okay, let's see. Descartes uses a number line to find 18 divided by 2. Is he correct? Explain. So let's see first what he did. He started at 18, right? Okay, let's change this color. He started at 18. And he counted back by 2's. He subtracted 2 each time. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, but as you can see here, he didn't reach 0. Did he? No! He stopped at 2. So, no, of course, he did it wrong. And now let's count how many times or how many jumps. Did he do? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we need one more jump to get to. We need one more jump here to get to 0. So he did it wrong. So let's erase this, all this, and let's write our answer. So our answer, my heroes, should be no, he did it wrong. No, of course. Why is that? Because the last jump should end on 0. The last jump should end on 0. And now let's do it by ourselves. So we need to make another jump to get to 0. Oh, let's make it the same size. Oh, yes. Okay. So we make another jump to get to 0. Now count how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! 9 jumps. So let's write the answer. The correct equation should be 18 divided by 2 equals what number, my heroes? Yes, the number of jumps here is 9, so it's 9. Okay, let's erase these numbers. I don't need it. You can count them and you'll find them 9. Okay, my heroes, go ahead, finish writing. And when you finish, my heroes, go to Classera. You have an assignment. The name of the assignment. So you go to Classera and you find the assignment. The name of the assignment is the same name of the lesson. Use number lines to divide. Find it and solve it. Okay, thank you, my heroes. This is the end. See you and goodbye.